Hi everyone, today we're going to be making an eggless cake. The replacement for egg here we are using is condensed milk. Otherwise you could also use yogurt or cream cheese, but because condensed milk is also easily available, and when you use condensed milk we do not add any extra sugar because this is sweetened condensed milk. So all you have to do is mix up all the ingredients and your batter is ready and good to go. I'm using salted butter here, so I would not be adding any extra salt to it. You could use unsalted butter and add a pinch of salt. So what I've done is I have melted my butter in the microwave. This is 170 grams of butter which is melted. To this, the other ingredients will be 400 grams of condensed milk, 200 grams of milk. You can use, I'm using here the full cream milk. You can use low fat or whichever one, doesn't matter. I have 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, and I have some chopped almonds for to add some extra crunch to the cake. Also, I have here 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour. So what I'm going to do is, first I'm going to add the butter into the bowl, the melted butter. So as I told you, it is 170 grams of melted butter. To this, I will add all the other ingredients one by one. Next goes in the condensed milk, which is 400 grams. But since we're not adding sugar, the sugar content will not be more. We add in milk, which is 200 grams of, here I'm using full cream milk. Then goes in the vanilla extract, and now I will be adding the flour, as well as the baking powder. As you can see here, I'm using just a very simple hand blender. You don't need to use a tabletop blender because this is just to get all the ingredients together. As you can see, your batter is ready. Your batter is ready, and all you have to do is, I'm using a small 5-inch pan here, but make sure that there are no lumps in your batter. You can see that this is a very smooth batter, just evenly mixed, no lumps. This goes into your 5-inch pan. If you want to make a bigger cake, all you have to do is double the recipe. So my oven here is preheating at 180 degrees Celsius, and I would just put it into the middle rack, and it will take about 45 minutes to 1 hour depending on your oven for it to bake. Also, I will be putting these chopped almonds on top. This gives a crunch to the cake, and when it bakes it will get nicely toasted. If you do not like nuts, you can omit it, or you can add other nuts like pecans, or if you want to add cashews also, you can add it. Now you can see the batter is ready. It will go into the oven and it will be baking for about 45 minutes to 1 hour. As I told you, different ovens, they behave differently. Mine takes about 50 minutes to bake. Yours may take maybe 1 hour or maybe just 45 minutes. It all depends on your oven. Hi guys, welcome back. Our cake is out of the oven and it looks nice, and all we have to do right now is cut it and have it with a cup of coffee or tea, and I'm sure you'll love it. Please do try it out and let me know how you like it. Especially the people who do not take eggs for various reasons. This is a very simple recipe to try it out, and you can make variations to this recipe by adding cocoa powder to make a chocolate cake. What you do is take out about 20 grams of all-purpose flour, replace it with cocoa powder. So you can make a chocolate cake, you can make a marble cake. Same recipe, nothing much to do except that a little bit of alterations here and there. You could add lemon to it, orange to it, and flavor changes. But the cake turns out the same and really nice. So please do try it out and